Fires, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly crop a video using Camtasia. What do I mean by cropping a video? It simply means removing unwanted parts from a video, which could be either pop-ups, notifications, or even any other thing that will be distracting your viewers. I'll be showing you through the screen of my laptop. Let's get started. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification button, and let's dive in. So yeah, this is my Camtasia interface. What I would like to do is import the video I want to crop first. Click on import video. This is the video I just imported. I'll drag the video onto the track panel. Let's play the video and see the way it looks before cropping it. So I would like to crop out this name from the. This is the way the video looks before cropping. I would like to remove the name from the video. With just few steps, I'll be able to achieve that. Now, let's start. We want to be able to remove this name from the video, click on this toggle crop mode here, go back to your video and just drag. If you also want to reduce the space by the side of the videos, you can also do that. Just drag and drag, and what you do next is to click on that same icon and adjust your video to the size, of the screen. This is how my video looks like. It's as easy as that. In just few steps, I crop our video without going through any extra stress. Now, this is our video. In a case whereby we don't want to resize the video, we probably want to add another background to the video instead of resizing it to the screen size. This is how we go about it. First of all, we like to choose an image that will not distract our viewers from the video itself. Let's crop this first. We'll move our video to the center, which is this. Now we want to add a background to this. You go to your import media. Wherever the background is, you can import it from there. This is the background I'll be making it. I'll drag it. To send this image to the back, right click on it and click on send to back. So yes, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like now. This is how our video looks like now. Now, we've been able to achieve what we need. We are able to crop our video with just few steps. If you've gotten a value from this video, make sure you subscribe. If you've not gotten a value, make sure you like and share. And stay tuned for more of this kind of video. Thank you.